Hey, Danny here, and welcome to the vlog. I just got a package I need to open up because I don't remember what it was. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, okay. And what else? A case to go with it. Okay. Forgot I ordered that. Okay. That's a super flight. Super high, medium, low. That is a military grade torch. And all I had to do is pay shipping on it. I don't know how. Uh-oh, drug. I don't know what that is, huh? I'm a nut for freaking flashlights. Oh, that might be the battery tube, or a spare battery tube. Tactical flashlight with a nylon case to go with it. Yeah, I've got a couple, but that definitely, I don't know, is the batteries in it? I have to check that out. That's cool. Called the torch. It's supposed to be one of the brightest military flashlights they make. That'll be great. That'll be good on the job. Yeah, and if you're a local company looking for a security guard, I'm a freelance security guard. Isn't that pretty good? Okay, so let's see. How do you get the battery? Okay, you didn't even see it. I'm not gonna send you batteries. Okay. Using 3 AAAs. Okay. You want to use Duracell batteries on this. Okay. So I'm using 3 of these Dollar General HTs. I don't have some in my case. Okay, so it's taking 3. Works cool. So wait a quick in there. Place it down. I don't know where that came from. Came out of the bag. Okay, so let's see. It's got a seal ring, so it's waterproof for the case. Alright. Does this move? Oh yeah, you can in, out, depending on how bright you want it or what you want it to be. Yeah, let's see what happens. Oh yeah! Right on down to a square. Oh yeah. There you go. See behind me? Little square block, huh? I guess water. Yeah, you don't want to be looking into that beam. Wow. Well, it's bright on the. And those are just the Dollar General brand AA's or AAA's. Wow. Oh, I'm impressed. I can't remember what I paid for it. I think I paid $6 for it. Okay, there's something else. Okay, so it's just on and off. Just through the box. Torch. It's called a torch. Okay. The power button to change modes. Just 5 presets. Huh, I'm only getting high and low. Well, that's weird. 5 preset modes. Click the power button to change the modes. I'm only getting one mode out of it. That customer service phone number right on it. Customer service web, myfreegear.com. Product instructions, myfreegear.com. Instructions. Waterproof, adjustable zoom focus, up to 2 times. So I'll leave this in the descriptions on this thing. Trying to figure why. Oh, there it goes. Okay, straight. That's it. Add 3 modes. Okay, it's on. Starts out high. Oh, I see. High. Medium. Flash. SOS. And back to high. Back to medium. Back to low. And then that's our strobe. High, medium, low, strobe, and that's SOS. Okay. Come back to high, medium, low. And then off. And if you just turn it off, I think you can just turn it back on. Let's see, I think you still got to keep going through them. Use it for what you want. Go wide. Okay. SOS. Back to high. But I think the thing is, you got to keep going through them to get them where you want, I believe. So, but anyway, all right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you can catch me on the next Crosby's vlogs. And this is unboxing the military grade torch.